Welcome beautiful people, I am Chev. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're about to do an install for Westkiss.com, and I just want to show you guys what I got in my package that you can get on the website, all that good stuff. So let's see what this wig is looking like straight out of the package. Now this is their Jerry curly wig in a 5x9 closure. Now this is a glueless wig and we're about to test out how flat we can lay this wig without using any glue at all. So I got this wig in 26 inches. It comes with a adjustable band on the inside and all that good stuff. Now I've never tried a 5x9 wig before, and what that 9-inch means is how far back it goes. So I'm like, okay girl, this is pretty deep and it's looking super natural and I'm loving that. Now y'all know the first thing that I like to do when I am customizing a unit is go in with a hot comb. Whether it be curly or straight, the hot comb is gonna make that wig look flat and professional. So I'm gonna do that first. And even though this wig is pre-plucked and not already bleach free and all that good stuff, I wanted it to be a little bit more thinner in the front. So I'm just gonna go in with some light plucking. Like I'm not doing anything extra, just a little pizzazz, a little bit of razzle dazzle in the front, but nothing crazy. Like you don't have to worry about it. But if you want to be like extra like me and just do a little bit more plucking, go on ahead. But look how nice that wig looks in the front. Like I didn't have to bleach the knots because I'm over the days of bleaching. Like I get lazier and lazier as I get older to install my wigs. So thank you for doing all the extra work for me, Westkiss, because the wig was doing it already. So I'm gonna go in with some mousse just to make sure that it's molded nice and neat, because you know with the curly hair we need that hair to be bouncing, we need to be shining, and we need them curls to be defined. So of course, for your curls to be defined, you're gonna go in first with your water. So you gotta detangle the hair if you wish to, but I recommend you washing the hair beforehand. But if you're lazy like me and you just like to wear your wigs and go, yeah, but still wash the wig. So I go in with the water. Once I've saturated the entire hair, I'm going to go in with some mousse. And once that mousse gets in the hair, it depends upon the type of mousse that you use. The mousse that I use is a 3-in-1 mousse, and she doesn't leave my hair crunchy. It's still soft, it's still bouncy, and it doesn't have any frizz. But what I like to do most of all when I'm wearing hair this long, anything longer than 18 inches, I need layering in the front. I know a lot of y'all don't want to be cutting your wigs and all of that, but sweetie, once you layer that hair in the front, it's a different look. So of course, I'm a lazy girl. Regular ball cap, not ball cap, child, regular cap, because we ain't doing the ball cap. I ain't got time for that, no ma'am. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my bronzing powder on the lace, because if you look at how you do your makeup, well, how I do my makeup, I put bronzer on my forehead and my cheekbone. So I need that lace to blend with my forehead. So I'm just adjusting the wig, and because your girl is super lazy, I didn't even get a fresh braid down, so my braids are kind of puffy, so the wig is kind of small for my head, but we're gonna make it work. You know what I'm saying? Like we're going to make it work. And because I'm not doing the ball cap, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that bronzing powder and just put it on a parting, just to make sure that I'm hiding my wig cap underneath. And I could wear the hair like this. Like the hair is already done. The hair is already done. Do you see that lace? It's already done, but I like to be extra, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of swoop to the doop action. You feel me? So I'm gonna use the EVIN. I'm gonna spray it on my edge brush and just swoop them in. That's all I'm going to do in terms of spray. Like we're not spraying the actual lace or nothing like that, just the edges, because I need it to be flat. So then I tie it down with my little band. Now you can also get a band, like a wig band on the website, just to hold that down, because when that thing is melted with the wig band with the tension method, phenomenal. So I just go in with the hot comb again, just to make sure it's flat, because again my head is kind of poofy with the corners on it, you know what I'm saying? So then I go in with the mousse and I just rake my fingers through. And I just want you to take a minute to look at the quality of this curly unit. Look how full this hair is. Look how black the hair is. Even though it's a natural black, actually it's not even a natural black. The website said it is a black jerry curl, so I like my hair to be jet black, and it's giving rich quality installation. Like, you can't tell me I didn't go to a professional to get this done. Like, it is giving me life. Let me know what you guys think about the unit. Oh my god, look how bouncy that is. All the details will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at damn.chev. And I'll see y'all gorgeous people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.